Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you read me? Am I loud? Am I clear? Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in 8 minutes and 55 seconds to covering the breaking gold and silver news. We're going to watch the market close together. I'm going to answer your questions the best I can. We're going to read the tea leaves of what's going on in the market. Smash that like button if you're excited. We're going to be live here in 8 minutes and 40 seconds. And guys, we're only 29 subscribers away from the next big show, so subscribe up if you're not. And the best way to get subscribers is to hit the like button. Only 25 away from 100. Oh, I'm ready. That's funny, Mr. Bill. Tell me the price of silver and gold a year ago, Mr. Bill. That's funny. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 8 minutes covering the breaking silver news, the silver market, the gold and silver market close. So much is going on in the world, so much global instability. Smash that like button if you're ready. We're going to be live here in just 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Thank you, Dill, for that super chat. Really appreciate it. Right, let me go look. Man, it's thank you for that, Dill Kramer. It's $180 for the real-time package for that. Wow. Okay, I'll do it, Dill, but I'm going to have to do it on the next broadcast. I'll do it on the next broadcast because I have to enter a bunch of personal information. I will do it, Dill. I will do it. Thank you, Dill.
Voices rise like a tidal wall.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 6 minutes covering the breaking gold and silver news. Covering everything that's going on in the world. Drano, what are you referring to? They're playing mini games, Drano. The longer you stay in chat, you earn points called claws, and you can play games with them. That's what they're doing. Mini games, if you do exclamation games, exclamation commands, it will tell you how to do it. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in 5 minutes and 25 seconds covering the gold and silver market close. Going to be answering your questions. We're going to have a good time tonight. Dr. Doom saying, where's the $100 silver? It's coming, Dr. Doom. Not a financial advisor, but I've never been so sure about anything in my life. We're going to be live here in 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Smash the like button. Get ready for gold and silver news. What's up, Ida? Good to see you. If you like this music, you can listen to it at iTunes, Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, YouTube Music. Just search for the artist International Stacker. Here we go. 4 minutes and 30 seconds till we're live. Smash that like button if you're excited.
Coins and bars, to find. Treasure hunting, one of a kind. Join the crew, let's explore. Stack up wealth and
Oh, someone's trying to duel me. PO trick, you have to put an amount. You put duel the person's name and then you have to put an amount.
chasing that mill. Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure
Went big on goldbacks thanks to Red Dirt Reserve today. Nice, Rudy.
silver shine.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in 3 minutes and 40 seconds covering the breaking gold and silver news. We're going to cover the market close. I'm going to answer your questions. If you're excited, smash the like button, and we're only 28 subscribers away from the next big show, so make sure you subscribe. We're going to be live here in 3 minutes and 25 seconds.
The best international stacker, stacking strong, silver, gold, where you been.
But yeah, thanks for that, Dill Kramer. I honestly didn't know that was an option, so I am going to do that. I'll do the annual. I'll do the annual plan. It's cheaper that way.
Chasing that mill.
Whoa. I would have done that a long time ago if I knew about that.
That's up,
That was the D you were talking about the other day.
riches await.
Come on!
The best international stacker, stacking strong.
Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Smash that like button if you're ready. We're going to be covering the breaking gold and silver news. We're going to be watching the market close. We're just going to have a roundabout great time. If you're wearing yoga pants right now, put yoga in the chat. Wow, and P.O. Trek bought another 10 ounces today. Congratulations. Guys, I think I need to do a live stream of just the baby gator on repeat over and over and over and over again. For 24 hours, nothing but a continuous baby gator. Oh man, we've got Ralph and Littlefoot Stacker not wearing any pants. Good thing we're not in the war room. Clothing is not optional in the war room. Well, now I'll be live in 1 minute and 55 seconds, guys, to cover the breaking news, gold and silver. Smash that like button if you're ready. Let's go. All right, let's get a crab dance going here to rally for a green candle. If you're ready for this stream, drop a crab in chat right now.
Ready for the mega gaw. We're the crew, the Shell Brigade. Treasures found, the music's played.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be live in 1 minute and 20 seconds. Buckle up.
Join the party night and day. Gold and silver is the key.
Let's go.
Nation, dance with me.
Let's get it. Slammy Davis Jr. That's funny, AG. 1 minute warning. 1 minute warning.
Oils laid by hand. We're the crew, the Shell Brigade.
I'm telling you guys, this countdown, it like gets me excited for the stream. It gets me all hyped up with the music. Does it hype you guys up? Or do you wish I just went straight into it? Let me know. We're going to be live here in 35 seconds. Smash that like button if you're ready. Here we go.
Dance with me.
Let's go. Let's get it.
Dance with me. Dance with me. Dance with me. Dance with me.
One stacker on a journey to find silver. International stacker.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen? The name is International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Where are you at in the world and what are you sipping on? Ladies and gentlemen, it has been an absolutely wild day today. Over 1,000 of you on right now. 1,900 videos around the world on gold and silver adventures. This one was in Prague. This one was in Poland, Germania Mint. This one was in Florida. That one was in Florida. This one was just on the computer. So join us on journeys and adventures around the world, around the globe with gold and silver. And ladies and gentlemen, the market, the day trading session is going to end in exactly 21 minutes. 21 minutes, this chart will stop moving. It will be shut down from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for 1 whole hour. And then trading on the night session will pick up right after that at 6 p.m. Woo! And Autodesk in chat saying, I've ordered from Hero Bullion twice, and they're offering some really good prices. Nice. Just ordered another 5 ounces. Nice. Autodesk just ordered another 5 ounces. If you just ordered, how many ounces have you guys bought this week? Put it in chat right now. But silver, boy, oh boy. If you remember from this morning's stream, it got the smackdown overnight. Some would call it a mega smackdown. Went from all the way from 96.44 down to a bottom of 77.96. We've been currently crab walking for the last little bit here at $82.05 moving sideways here. And let's look at the futures price here. 82.39. Okay, we are not in backwardation. We are in contango. That's normal market functions there. So we're going to keep watching that. And gold. Gold got smacked down again. This morning, it almost did a DTB that went lower. We got as low as 4,995.30. We're currently at 5,089.67. All gaps have been filled. That's the good news. And wow, big thank you to Janny Holtz for becoming a Diamond Claw member. Thank you so much. Thank you to all the members on the channel, and a big thank you to all the Diamond Claw members on the channel here. The question is, everyone in chat right now, who has Diamond Claws? Who's got them?
Diamond claws.
Who's got them? But thank you for becoming a Diamond Claw. So we're currently on a green candle again with gold at 5,090.34. Remember, Shanghai closed at $96.38. It's going to be opening up back this evening at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And gold to silver ratio is back over 60. Those scoundrels got us back over 60, 62.04 to 1. But guys, I am not concerned. I am unshaken. None of the fundamentals have changed for months and years. I've been saying on this channel, you're going to have intestinal fortitude to see the way through. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. But intestinal fortitude, the road's going to be long, dark, and full of terrors. People are going to be laughing at you. I've had so many crazy comments today. Oh, silver's crashed. What was the price of silver 1 year ago? What was the price of gold 1 year ago? Whenever you get dismayed, all you got to do is zoom out. Look at the monthly chart. Ooh, that looks like a grain stairway to heaven. This is the current candle. So that's not set red yet. Look at the weekly. Okay? So if you ever start to get depressed or despondent, all you got to do is zoom out. That's all you got to do. And guys, I've been working all day today, made a bunch of new scenes for the stream. So I'm going to be showing that to you guys. Do you want to see the... I forgot to put this up. Bang. We're live now on YouTube. There we go. Do you guys want to cover the news first, or do you want to see the new scenes? Let me know right now. And you guys, we have Miss Ida Herring in the chat. She's doing a big auction for St. Jude's. Excuse me, I just choked. It's gonna be raising a bunch of money for a good cause. So some mods, can you please share her channel? If you go to her channel, you'll find her live stream. You got to register for the auction. I plan to bid on it. There are some silver crabs. Again, you pay all the money straight to St. Jude's. It's a good cause, and it's tax write-offable, and you're probably going to get some good deals. So go check out Miss Ida doing God's work. As silver is on a green candle, 82.17. Gold's on a green candle, 5,096. Okay, so a few new items here for you guys. So I do have it. When silver starts going up again, I have a silver going to the moon scene. Here we go. And after I play each scene, guys, I want you to rate it from 1 to 10. 10 being the best, but rate it for a production. I need you to rate it for memeology and channel lore. Okay, here's the first one, to the moon.
Fly me to the moon. Let me play stars.
Okay, that's when silver's running again. Did you guys like that one? Let me know. Okay, rate it. The next one is going to be for when we say we're not going to take it. And guys, the bankers are slamming us down. The bankers are slamming us down, but we are certainly not going to. What'd you guys think? Thank you so much for that super sticker, Autodescom. I really appreciate that. And that was your first super chat on the live stream. Thank you so much. So those were those two. And then this one, I showed it to some of you. This is another new one. And this is what's happening right now. Turning the green candles red. Okay. So those are the new scenes. What do you guys think? I spent way too much time on those, but I think they turned out okay. Do you guys like them? Those were suggestions from you, by the way. Let's go to the breaking silver news. Yeah, Shanghai is going to be opening at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening, so that should be 7 Central. Okay, so a few big pieces of news here. And again, this channel's not political, but I cover geopolitics that affect you. So this is a Trump bombshell. The U.S. Navy to escort tankers through the Strait of Hormuz. Remember, we've been talking about the Strait of Hormuz for a while on this channel as one of the watch-out situations for something that could affect gold and silver. Yeah, see how I was there in Key West? That's where I'm at, guys, Key West. So remember, Strait of Hormuz, about 30%, 25 to 30% of the world's oil passes through there a day, but also stuff for fertilizer and stuff. And down here, a lot of oil stuff passes as well because the Suez Canal up here through Egypt. But this is what we're talking about right here. And what we have is a bunch of tankers piling up. Man, what is it? Tanker. Here it is. I got it. And look at that, guys. Do you guys agree with Silver Atari? Silver Atari says, this is a blessing, guys. Buy the dip. I agree with you. Okay, so here we go. This is the Strait of Hormuz. Let's refresh the map here. This is not showing the oil tankers. Hold up. I'm trying to show you guys the live map. I can't have it. Anyways, if this was the live map that showed all the tankers, there are literally hundreds of tankers, oil tankers anchored here waiting. Hundreds of oil tankers right here waiting just to get through the Strait of Hormuz there, okay? So this is a big deal because that's affected the whole market. So Trump announced he's directed the U.S. Navy to escort tankers through the Strait of Hormuz and to provide cheap political risk insurance for all maritime trade. So basically saying it's not shut anymore. It's open, and we're going to back it. So effective immediately, no more Iranian threat choking global energy. This is bullish for silver and gold. Geopolitical risks stay high. Safe haven flows continue. Oil volatility fills inflation fears. Precious metal hedge wins. Trump securing flows prevents total chaos, but tension lingers. Sustained upside pressure, and in addition to what was already happening. Guys, people are going to look at the gold and silver price and go, oh, when the war is over, or however it ends, they're going to be like, oh, well, gold and silver are going to fall because the only reason they went up was because of the war breaking out, which is not true, and we know that. But that's going to be the narrative, okay? So we know it was moving before, and I know, I'm quite confident. Again, I know nothing 100%, but guys, the fundamentals haven't changed. It's the craziest story ever, the most undervalued asset out there. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. But look at this. Happy Hawaiian, we've seen his tweets from time to time. He's super bullish. Happy Hawaiian saying silver to 200 by June. So he says $200 silver by June 30th. Update. So this is what the Happy Hawaiian thinks we could get to by June 30th. So I crunched some numbers. I said, ladies and gentlemen, the Happy Hawaiian is all in. To hit that mark, to get $200 by June 30th, silver needs to gain 0.975% per trading day to smash the 200 by end of June. Current spot price hovering around 83. It's 81, 82 now. 82. Wild swings today. So that's a massive moonshot in 4 months. But with the squeeze brewing, corporate stacks, geopolitics raging, industrial demand exploding, could it? I feel like that's super bullish, guys. I'm not thinking it's going to be 200 by June 30th. But what do you guys think? Could it hit 100, 150, 200? Could it plummet back to 50 an ounce and we're going to back the trucks up? Let me know right now in chat what your predictions are for the price of silver. And guys, I am going to be reading the chat here in just a minute, so save your questions for me, but make sure I will be letting you know when I'm going to read questions in chat. Woo! And guys, $208. $208 is the all-time inflation-adjusted high from 1980. And I believe 72 is the all-time inflation-adjusted high from 2011. And as, who was that? Richard Metcalf said, we are still above that. Yeah, it was Richard Metcalf. Okay, so a lot of you are saying 120, 79, 140, 92, 2,500. Whoa, RPM. That is bullish. That would be amazing. That would be crazy, but we'll see. Everything is fine, guys. Don't worry. Nothing to see here. As Justin, the Federal Reserve is going to inject $16 billion into the U.S. economy. And guys, don't forget what I broke the other day. I think I was the first on X to break it. But the repo market, this is the market that was stood up by the Federal Reserve after the great financial crisis in 2008. This is where banks can come to get emergency liquidity. And what they do is they temporarily sell. So in this little blip here, this is $9 billion. Someone or something sold $6 billion worth of mortgage-backed securities and $3 billion treasuries to get $9 billion loan. They're supposed to buy that back. There's cracks in the systems, ladies and gentlemen. As we're on a green candle with silver at 82.18, we are on a green candle with gold at 5,090. And I want everyone to chant for somebody. For those of you who know, this chart for Shanghai, it usually opens at, Shanghai opens at 8 p.m., but this chart has only ever moved for me at 8:15. And in chat right now, I want to shout him out. Let me bring it up. In chat, Dill Kramer said, this D means it's delayed, and I checked. I'm going to pay $180 for the annual fee for this, so I'm going to do that probably tonight or tomorrow morning when I'm not live on stream because I don't want to dox myself. And then that means this chart will in the future start to move at 8 p.m. sharp, not 8:15. So guys, please in chat say thank you to Dill. He did a $20 super chat to bring that to my attention. So thank you so much, Dill. Really appreciate that. And again, a great thank you and congratulations to Jane, who became a Diamond Claws member. Jane. January Colts, thank you so much. And Autodescom, thank you for the super chat. And Silver Atari, thank you so much for being a channel member for 2 months here. Wow, 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 ladies and gentlemen. This market is closing in just about 8 minutes. 8 minutes till we close, so we have this candle plus one more. Secret Silver saying, I know we don't do politics in here, but as a Brit, I would just like to apologize for absolutely disgraceful behavior of our government. The people support the U.S. Thank you for that, Secret Silver. It's okay. And guess what? I'm sure we were using the bases anyway. That's something politicians do. They say, I forbid it. And then on the back end, they just give a wink. So that helps them with the public, like a political cover. So I'm sure the United States was already using those bases anyway. But I guess he came out in reversed course, I heard. I think he reversed course. I don't know. But hey, it's your government. We can't blame all Brits for what the governments do. It just hopefully, just like the rest of the world, shouldn't blame all Americans for what our government does or any other government, right? So at the end of the day, I've been all over the world, guys. I lived overseas for nearly 10 years, been to 30-something countries. And at the end of the day, everybody are people. They want to have a good time. They want to hang out with their family and friends. They want the best for their communities. Are there bad eggs in every society, including the United States? Yes. That's the nature of the world. But that's why we come here together. We don't talk about politics or anything about the stuff that divides us. We are the Crustacean Nation, circling around gold and silver and telling the bankers we're not going to take it anymore. You guys like that saying? That's a fun one. And we're going to be watching this chart close here in just, what is that, 6.5 minutes here. So we're going to have this candle plus one more candle. 1,500 people on the stream. Thank you so much. Keep smashing like. We're only 19 away from 400. And you guys would not believe how much that helps me when you just tap that like button with your little claw. And ladies and gentlemen, we are at 66,378 subscribers. That means only 22 more subscribers until the next big show. And some say if you haven't seen a big show, you haven't lived. Should we buy an ounce of gold for 80 ounces of silver? Mike, what do you mean? You want to trade? Oh, I see what you're asking. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet. Silver. Silver's completely undervalued. Here's why you should buy silver. Here is my little 20-second elevator pitch. This stuff right here. Most of this stuff right here, silver, it's AG on the periodic table, is still above ground. It's destroyed. Most of this stuff, ever mind, about 98 to 99% is still above ground. But it is in vaults. It is in safes. It's an investment. So the majority of silver is above ground but underground. It's been thrown away in landfills. It's been e-waste. It's destroyed. It's blown up across war zones. It's blown up across Ukraine. It's blowing up as we speak across the Middle East. Silver is the best conductor of electricity. It's the most reflective metal. It's the best thermodynamic properties of a metal, or some of the best properties. It's antibacterial, antimicrobial. We produce about 835 million ounces a year, and we consumed last year more than 1.2 billion. This year, it's projected to be more than 1.3 billion. We hit peak mining in 2016. Every year since then, it's decreased 1 to 3%. Ladies and gentlemen, the only way it's getting better with what we're seeing, the structural shortage with silver, is if you get more of it out of the ground. And mines take anywhere from 10 to 15 years from exploration to getting the ore out of the ground and refining it. That is why I'm so bullish for silver. The demand is going up. Our mining output is going down. There's no way to fix it anytime soon. And that's why I'm bullish gold and silver, but I'm so much more bullish silver than gold. So I hope that helps to answer your question there. Woo! Guys, and we are just 14 away. Wow. 14 subscribers away from the next big show. The next 14 people to subscribe. You're going to have good luck for 7 years. It's science. As we're in a green candle here with just 4 minutes and 50 seconds left till the market closes, with gold at 5,090.72, silver at 82.06. What's going to happen? What's going to happen? Let me know. Hit the baby gator on the last candle. Do you guys want a baby gator right now, guys? There's something I learned while live streaming with all of y'all in Boca Raton, Florida. There was an alligator sign there. You guys taught me how to do the baby gator. You told me to summon the alligator. I thought I was about to lose my hand. I'll show you what happened. But we found out by mistake that some scientists say 90% of the time, every time, that a baby gator can help turn a green candle red, or a red candle green. There we go. Or a green candle to a BGC. Ladies and gentlemen, the baby gator.
Okay, I'm going to try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? I don't know. Whoa! Whoa! What was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
Ladies and gentlemen, I thought I was going to be like, what was his name? Chubbs and Happy Gilmore. Lose my hand to a gator, but I got out of there with all my digits. And ladies and gentlemen, we do have a green candle here. So we'll see what happens. Will this turn into a B, a G, C, a big green candle? And silver, 82.06. Gold, 5,090.97. And ladies and gentlemen, we are just a handful of minutes away from market close here. 2 minutes and 20 seconds to be exact here. So how much silver is actually above ground versus gold? Well, the majority of gold, ever mind, is above ground. Like 30 trillion is the market cap of gold. The majority of silver is destroyed. I mean, let's see. How much physical silver is still above ground and not destroyed? Let's see if there's an easy answer here. It's not a lot. With roughly 72% loss destroyed, however, only small percent what exists in best in bullion, and then so around 104 more tons. I'm gonna have to look into this deeper, but it's a fraction. It's a fraction of what's been mined with silver, because why? It's in solar panels that gets destroyed. It's in e-waste, it gets destroyed. It's in cell phones, it's in TV. Like, it's in circuitry, it's in electrical panels. Think how much silver you've destroyed in your life. Now times that by billions of people. It's in Mrs. International Stacker's yoga pants, and she doesn't keep those things forever. Not a lot. I'm not a candle, I'm a stacker, says Big Green Stacker. That's funny. Oh, wow, guys. B Woods is sipping on Coors and a lime. Nice. And we are, okay, let me count down the market close, then we'll cover news. Okay, 50 seconds left, guys. Are you team green or team red? Is this candle ending green or red? Let me know right now. Oh, yeah, long-term bull is still intact. That's why I feel so comfortable. I'm mid to long-term in this, Victor. So, yeah, I think we have nothing to worry about. Ladies and gentlemen, 25 seconds remaining. I did not drink colloidal silver in the war room. 15 seconds. I'm going to count it down from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the market is closed for 1 hour. This is the official end of today's trading session. Silver hitting $82.04 on close. Gold hitting $5,088.84 on close. You will start to see these charts move again in exactly 1 hour at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. After that, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Tokyo starts to trade. 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Shanghai Futures Exchange starts to trade. And usually this chart starts to move at 8:15 p.m., but thank you to our buddy Adil Kramer for bringing it to my attention. I'm going to get that subscription up, and then in the future, it will start moving at 8 p.m. for us. Yes, all gaps have been filled. All gaps have been filled, Ken. If you guys got questions, put them in chat right now. Ladies and gentlemen, we are literally at 66,399 subscribers. One more subscribers, and you guys will see the big show. I give away gold and silver all the time on this channel. I gave away 100 ounces in 2025, 800 1/2 gold backs, and a bunch of copper. 2026, I gave away 29 ounces of silver, some copper, and some gold. If you went on this channel, put winner in big, bold letters right now in chat. And if you're sitting there not subscribed, look at all those winners scrolling by. That could be you. Just hit that button and join the Crustacean Nation. We have a good time around here. And ladies and gentlemen, I think we did it. I think we did it. Channel members, you know what to do. I think we did it. 66,400. Thank you so much. It's time for the big show.
National Aerobic Championship featuring regional finalists from all across the United States competing for the title of
Four-time
Best Aerobic Athlete, presenting the reigning 1980
Four-time
Crystal Light National Aerobic Champions.
Introducing
Four-time
Crystal Light Champion, International Stacker.
Thank you so much. The name's International Stacker, 4-time Crystal Light Champion, 1,900 videos around the world. And guys, I don't just live stream market opens and market closes. I do those a lot. We have a lot of fun with it. I cover the breaking news. But I journey around the world with y'all on journeys, and it wasn't that long ago that I was at the Great Pyramids of Giza, and you all told me to get on a camel.
Take the camel, guys. Camel cam, guys. That's just some here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. There you go. Oh, wow, look at the 3 pyramids, guys.
That was a fun one. That was a fun one. That was a fun one. Okay, guys, I got a little bit more time here, and then I got to go. Rat Stacker has a game tonight, so I need to go support her. But I got maybe 5 more minutes to hang out with y'all, so if you've got any questions, put them in chat. I'll answer them. Let's look for any breaking news. Guys, so much is going on in the Middle East. I'm trying to stay up on everything for you. And look at this. Oh, I did put out an important tweet earlier. I want to bring to your guys' attention. Okay, if you know anyone overseas, look at urgent alert for American citizens in the Middle East. If you're a U.S. citizen and you're trying to evacuate amid this escalating crisis, call this number. It's open 24/7, and you can get evacuated. Over 3,000 Americans have contacted. So if you're an American or know an American overseas that's trapped, want to get out of there, they're securing military flights to get you out of there. So call that number. That is on my X account. So make sure to share out with anybody who might need that, guys. That could be very important for somebody. Okay, John's saying, yes, do you still wear the leggings? If not, yes, I wear it for every live stream. No, I don't. VB saying, should we buy silver before or after close? Well, it's closed. if you're ready to buy silver, I would just pick it up. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. It's something called dollar cost averaging, buying over the long term. It helps equal it out. If you try to time the bottoms, you're not going to be able to. If you try to time the tops, you're not going to be able to. It's going to bite you in the butt. So just slow and steady wins the race. Buying your budget over a week or 2 weeks or every 3 weeks or once a month, whatever that is, that's the best way to do it. So if you're ready, we're at $82.04. That's some of the cheapest price action here in a while. The last time it was this cheap was on the 20th of February. Okay? So, and then before that, it was, when it crossed that threshold, was on the 12th of February. Before that, it was like back in January. So if you're ready to buy some, I would just pick it up while you can and while we're still sub 100. Again, not a financial advisor. Could it go to zero? Could it not hit 100? Anything could happen, but I've never felt so sure about anything in my life. I've put my money where my mouth is. So that's where we're at. Are you guys with me? Are you unshaken in chat? Let me know right now. Do the legging have silver in them? No! 0.999 impaired silver at spot or constant? No. Don't get impaired silver, guys. Don't get coal silver. I would go for the 90% silver under spot. Guys, the premium is going to return. I'm certain of it. Once the refineries catch back up, and you're going to be so thankful you bought that silver under spot. So I would not ever buy anything coal or impaired unless I got a crazy deal on it. And I mean crazy. And if you're getting constitutional, if you can get dimes, that usually carries a better premium on it. Are you a musician? Yeah, totally didn't know you wrote your own. Yeah, I am. Thought it was AI. Nice work, brother. It's catchy. Thank you. I did use AI assistance on it. It's my likeness, but production-wise, lyrics, all that, that's me. But I did have to get some help with my singing voice. Me. But thank you for that. Have you ever visited Fort Taylor? No, I have not. No, I have not. Okay, Iranian drone just struck the CIA station in Saudi Arabia, one of America's most sensitive outposts. Whoa. The CIA station. Not very secret if everyone knows what it is. And here's Marco Rubio. I saw another post he was talking about flights for Americans. Lynette Zhang is great. Yeah. Okay. Have you? Okay. I was in a couple bands growing up. One of them did quite well, but I'm trying not to dox myself, so sorry. Not going to share it. But I did music, and I was a vocalist in it. We did okay. Are you encrusted yoga pants acceptable? Yes, yoga pants are allowable in the war room as long as they're silver infused. All right, guys, I'm going to be streaming at 5:40. No, it's not 5:45 a.m. 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the morning. The market open. We'll see what happens tonight. Keep watching the charts in just 52 minutes and a half. These charts will start moving again. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. Should we do a quick crab raid? Because I got to run to this game. Let's do a quick crab raid here. Let's see who's live. Let's see gold and silver. Who's live? Oh, look, International Stackers. Do you guys know any small creators that are live right now? Let me know. I'm not seeing any small creators that are live right now. I'm not seeing anybody, guys. Okay. I got to get going. Thank you so much. Appreciate y'all so much. I'll be live in the morning at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you subscribe. Turn on those notifications. And I guess I'll say CYOTNO. Catch you on the next one. And that is right. That is right. The market opens. It's only closed for an hour break. It's open 24/7. 5 to 6 p.m. every day. It closes for 1 hour. You're right. until Sunday. For Friday, it closes at 5 p.m. Sunday evening, it opens at 6 p.m. Thank you, everybody. Take care. See you later.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars.